For with God nothing will be impossible. Luke chapter 1 verses 37. Ask me of one dish that I can confidently cook with my eyes closed, and I will definitely go for Ghanaian Jollof. It is one of my favorite things to ever cook. Anyone who tries my jollof rice always end up coming back for more. Hence, it has created this side hustle for me. Anytime that I'm off work, I do get lots of orders for my special jollof rice. So today I am going to show you the other side of me as a food vendor. I'm going to show you how I was able to cook jollof for 40 people. Let's get started. So here I have my turkey stock. You can also use some chicken stock if that's what you have. And I have about 6 kilos of jasmine rice. And I do have my already made all-purpose tomato stew, which I've also shared the recipe. I'm going to link it right here. So just in case you miss it, you go ahead and watch it, okay? It is absolutely wonderful to have at home. What I always love to do is to divide my stew into 2 or maybe sometimes 3, because there has been cases where I've cooked for 100 people, and I always learned that it's better for me to divide it into 2 so that the rice come out perfect. Yes, because cooking that much jollof in one bowl can be very difficult, okay? So I want to always break it down and split it just to make sure that everything is in safe hand and is under control, okay? So that is the first tip that I like to give you. So as I divided the stew into 2, I'm also going to divide my stock into 2. Here you can choose to use beef stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock, any stock that you prefer. All right, this is coming from the turkey that I've also shared a recipe of. I'm going to link it here just in case you miss it. You will know where the stock is coming from. It is absolutely amazing. All that I have to do is to allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes while I'll go ahead and prep my rice. So here I divided my rice into 2 equal parts. They were about 42 cups each, and I divided, this was about 21 cups, and I'm going to go ahead and wash it. It's really important for you to wash your rice. I've preached it on here for a very long time, and if you're using this and it's helping you, please let me know and comment below, okay? So go ahead and add your rice in your stew and give it a stir until it is well incorporated. Really important to really scratch the button just to make sure that you don't have anything attached there, which will later on lead it to burning, okay? So once you're done, go ahead and cover it on a low to medium heat and do the same thing with the second stew. Please, it's important to cook this on a low medium heat. Usual, I went ahead to stir and make sure that everything is well incorporated. I never left the leftover of the stock. It's really important. So I added that, and later on tasted for salt and added enough salt that I needed. Here, you should be very careful with the amount of salt, okay? And I also like to bring lots of fragrance to it by adding a bit of chopped green bell peppers. I love it in my jollof rice. It is absolutely tasty and it makes it very fragrant. We'll go ahead and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium heat. So about 7 to 10 minutes, you just want to make sure that you're checking up on it again, especially scratching the bottom. You don't want the rice to turn into carpet. You want to get as much rice as possible. Make sure it is not burning on a low to medium heat, and you are on top of your game, okay? So after 15 to 16 minutes of cooking this, you will realize that we have lost lots of the liquid or water on this rice, and it's absolutely great, okay? Do not panic at all. It is not cooked yet, but do not panic. Do not let anything come in your mind to add water here. You don't need that. I promise you, you don't need any more water. Just cover it this time around with your parchment paper, and this heat, trust me fam, the heat is going to cook this rice for you, and you will be so marveled. Now, this is one of the major questions I had on my jollof recipe. Why didn't you add water? Look, the stew has lots of water content, and I also washed the rice and it has lots of water content in there as well. So there is no need, absolutely no need to bombard this rice with water. Just allow it to slowly cook on a low to medium heat, and the heat from the parchment paper is going to do the work for you. Just relax, okay? So long as you have your heat on the medium heat, you're good to go, trust me. So after covering it with the parchment paper, I have about 15 minutes on me for the rice to get ready. So I went ahead to make some coleslaw, which I've also shared a recipe on. I'm going to link it here and below in the description box as well, okay? It is absolutely great to combine your jollof with some delicious homemade coleslaw. So good. Anyone who has ever ordered jollof from me knows this for sure, that coleslaw always come as a present, right? It goes so well, especially if you've not specially ordered for your Ghana salad. I always bring coleslaw along with it, okay? After covering the parchment paper, we are about 17 minutes into cooking, and trust me, it is cloudy, it is cooked, it is so good. The fragrance, the color, you know, it has singled out just the way it should be. It looks so good and tastes even better. Yes, it's cooked. It's cooked with no wahala. Fam, it is so easy to follow these simple steps and just up your jollof game. I promise you, you're going to love this so much. Just have a look at this jollof. Is it not inviting? We are done, family. As you can see, dividing the jollof really helped. We beat the time. If you should cook this jollof in one pot, it's going to take forever for it to cook, but when you divide it into small sections, it always goes so fast. So now it's time for us to package it. Please allow it to cool down a little bit when you want to do the packaging, okay? So to me, this is the fun part. It's absolutely therapeutic just to package everything and send it to their owners. It's just so good knowing that someone's belly is going to be filled with lots of goodness. It is absolutely great. I really hope you picked one or two things from this video, and you're going to also start by making your jollof pop. And you're going to enjoy the best jollof that you've ever had. If you've not also watched how I was able to fry turkey for 40 people, I will link it right here for you to also watch. Just look at this color, so good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you like to watch videos like this, let me know in the comment section and share to few friends and family as well. Enjoy. And when it comes to the packaging, my kids are always there to give me a helping hand, which I'm always thankful for. I love them so much, and may God bless them. So we are here, we're almost done. The first batch is done, and we are done with the second, and then go off to the third. I really hope you picked up one thing or two, and most importantly, that this video is going to motivate you to wake up and go and collect your money. Booga. Okay. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I really enjoy your company. I'm always thankful that you watch right till the end, and it's really important to give me a thumbs up. Please do not forget that. It really matters. Okay, and share to a few friends and family as well. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. This brings us to the end, and I really hope you picked up a thing or two. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos like this, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes like this and more. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.